Welcome to Mock Test 8 for ISO 9001 from ISO Bitesize. Let's get into it. Question 1. What does Clause 6.1 require in relation to risk? Take a moment. The answer is to identify and address risks and opportunities that could impact the QMS. Question 2. What is meant by documented information determined by the organization as being necessary? Think about that. The answer is documents the organization itself decides are needed for effective QMS operation. Question 3. Why is reviewing customer requirements essential before accepting orders? Let it settle in. The answer is to ensure the organization can meet the requirements. Question 4. What does Clause 10.1 cover? Take a second. The answer is improvement. Question 5. How should an organization respond to trends in customer complaints? Think that over. The answer is analyze them and take corrective actions if needed. Question 6. What is the role of top management in promoting continual improvement? Take a moment. The answer is to provide leadership, support, and necessary resources. Question 7. How should responsibilities be assigned for QMS processes? Let it settle. The answer is clearly defined and communicated within the organization. Question 8. Why should product and service requirements be clarified with the customer? Take a moment. The answer is to avoid misunderstandings and ensure conformity. Question 9. What is included in the scope of the quality management system? Give it a second. The answer is boundaries, applicability, and justifications for any exclusions. Question 10. How are changes to design and development outputs managed? Think it through. The answer is by reviewing, verifying, validating, and approving changes before implementation. Question 11. What must organizations retain as evidence of conformity? Let that one settle. The answer is documented information showing compliance with requirements. Question 12. What does Clause 8.5 focus on? Take a moment. The answer is production and service provision. Question 13. What type of audit findings should be followed up? Think about that. The answer is nonconformities and opportunities for improvement. Question 14. How is customer satisfaction typically measured? Take a second. The answer is through surveys, complaints, feedback, and repeat business. Question 15. Why should organizations analyze audit results? Let that one settle in. The answer is to identify trends and areas for improvement. Question 16. What kind of corrective actions are required by ISO 9001? Pause to reflect. The answer is actions that eliminate the root cause of nonconformities. Question 17. What is the key difference between correction and corrective action? Take a moment. The answer is correction fixes the immediate issue. Corrective action prevents recurrence. Question 18. What should be done if the monitoring equipment is found to be out of calibration? Think carefully. The answer is assess the validity of previous measurements and take appropriate action. Question 19. Why should organizations determine criteria for process control? Take a second. The answer is to ensure processes achieve intended results. Question 20. What are some outputs of performance evaluation? Let it settle. The answer is decisions on improvements, changes, or additional resources. Make sure to listen again until you get every question correct. If you enjoyed learning in this way or want to find more material, find us on Facebook under ISO Bitesize or search wherever you are listening to this episode for more. Until next time.